So hi guys, it's Mashari again. Welcome to another property tour, and today we are in Ruiru, Mugodha, and we are going to be touring this 5-bedroom all ensuite plus a family room that is going for 24 million Kenya shillings. Now last time I was here we filmed a property, but it was for rent, and you guys seemed to love it so much that I had to come to this one once it was done. Last time I was here they were still under construction, and right now they're done, and so that's why we're here. So we're going to take a full tour, slowly go through everything, see the good, the bad, the perks, because this one right here, they really outdid themselves compared to the other ones that we filmed. And knowing me well, that was already my favorite property so far. So this one, it has outdone that one. Without further talking, let's get straight to the video. Okay, so starting off, I want us to start at your entrance. Now here you are going to have a sliding gate. All right, that is a sliding gate, and coming straight up on that side you're going to have a gazebo. We'll be there shortly, but first I want us to focus on the parking area. So this is going to be your parking area. You can comfortably fit 3 to 4 cars. You also have a tap over there in case you want to use water. Now in terms of the facade, this is going to be the facade of your unit. Now it looks so great. I love the dark colors, you know, the combination plus the big windows, and they also have another one for the stairs. But that facade, oh, it's the greatest I have seen so far. Now in terms of the cabros, these are well done. From what I feel, in order to even add a touch in terms of elegance, I would go with one color, so it's either black or the white, but in this case I would choose a dark gray vibe, which would lift up the kind of elegance that comes with such a unit. But anyways, this is still good. This is in a gated estate, so you're going to have 3 units that are still under construction, but all have been taken. So right here is where you're going to have your gazebo, and you can just come here, rest up with your family, install some Wi-Fi, put some couches here, and you can just get to enjoy everything about your compound. Now this is sitting on a 50 by 100, so plenty of space to even have your small green area. It's actually not small in that way. That is the path leading to your backyard, and this is your parking bay, and you're going to have your shade there, so it's pretty strong. The metal they've used is decent, so it's going to hold off any kind of weight, any wind, any rain. That is excellent. So that is the facade of the house, and here you have a porch. So you have your porch whereby you can also sit, so you can choose to spend your time here or on your front porch. And this is your entrance. Now the lights, in terms of the lights, they have done excellently again, and they have this kind of gypsum lighting that comes from top and blends into that wall excellently all the way to the floor. Now that makes the place look even excellent. You should see the place at night. Heading in, this is your living room. You get a double volume living room, and oh my days, that is elegance. That is the literal definition of elegance. Now it makes the place look marvelous. You can see the windows that I was talking about and how much light they're able to let in. You have your chandelier there that looks very, very great. You have some lighting on top there. Of course, the curtains are going to be remote controlled. That is a nice touch. To add that, the curtains are from top to bottom, just like your window is going to be. Now in terms of the TV area, you can see how they added a touch of wood. Isn't it elegant? Here you have your TV stand as well, which lights up. It has a feature for lighting up, so it's like a fireplace. And this is your living room. You can be able to fit a 9-seater, 10-seater, an L-seater even. So this is going to be your living room, and it's very, very huge. And you can even see on that side you also have some lights, and I like that they went with the wainscoting style. You can see some lights there, so you can be able to place some art here. Even on that side they used the wainscoting and it looks elegant. That's why I was saying, compared to the other one, this looks so marvelous. In terms of the lighting, you can see what they chose. This is going to be your living area. You have a small vanity there and a mirror, so you're able to clean up and be able to eat your food from there. But now the star of the show is going to be the kitchen. What I love about this kitchen specifically is the choice of colors, the warm lighting they decided to go with, and the amount of cabinet space throughout. The gold accents on the cabinet handles gives the entire space a very elegant feel, while the white granite countertops elevate the kitchen even further and makes it look exceptionally beautiful. Right over there, you have your hood and smoke extractor, and also your appliances fitted in perfectly. And on the right side is where you can comfortably fit your double door fridge, and this is going to be your sink area with plenty of water supply, and your cooktop is positioned right here for convenience and functionality. Now on this side you have your pantry, and honestly, one thing about this kitchen is that it offers a lot of storage space. Towards the end, you're going to notice two doors, one near the dining area and the other close to the kitchen itself. This particular door leads you outside, and this is where you're going to find your laundry area. You can comfortably place your washing machine and dryer here. And you also have hanging lines where your clothes can dry naturally. Now, in terms of security, there's an electric fence surrounding the property, so you really won't have to worry about that. This section right here is where your gas cylinder is going to be placed, making it easy to connect directly to your kitchen appliances and cooktop. Now, heading back inside, we are making our way towards the first two bedrooms as well as the common washroom. This area here can also act as a foyer, because immediately you walk in through the main entrance, you are welcomed by the living room. So this space can work perfectly for storing shoes and other essentials. Now this is going to be your common washroom. You have this well-finished vanity, a mirror right above it to complement the space, and additional storage underneath to maximize functionality. This is going to be your first bedroom on the lower level. On this floor, you're going to get two bedrooms in total. This particular room can serve perfectly as a guest bedroom, a home office, or anything else you may need, because it is en suite. The lighting choice here is quite simple yet very elegant. Inside the washroom, you are going to get your shower cubicle, your toilet seat, a spray gun for convenience, and a small vanity. Again, the lighting choice in here keeps everything modern and elegant. The room itself features massive windows, allowing in plenty of natural light, making the space feel even open. Now, for the second bedroom, it's almost similar to the previous one. It is quite spacious, the lighting is elegant, and the layout is very functional. The washroom follows the same design language, so you have your vanity, toilet seats, and shower cubicle positioned on the side. Even the quality of the shower heads and the handheld fittings is excellent. So you're definitely getting quality throughout the entire house. Now, coming from the two bedrooms, we are welcomed back into the living room area and the staircase leading us to the second level. On the second level, this is where you're going to find two more bedrooms together with the master bedroom. I also really liked the wainscoting design used throughout this upper walkway, because it adds a character and elegance to the entire space. From here, you also get beautiful views overlooking the living room, the chandelier, and the entire lower level, giving the home a very open and connected feel. Now, heading into the third bedroom, the two rooms on this level are positioned side by side. As soon as you walk into this bedroom, you're first welcomed by the ensuite washroom, which actually features a slightly different design compared to the lower level bathrooms. Right here you have your vanity, your corner positioned shower cubicle, and again the shower fittings are of very good quality. Now stepping into the bedroom itself, the lighting remains simple and elegant, and you're getting a ton of natural light flowing into the room. One thing I really like about this bedroom is that it also features its own private balcony. Your wardrobes are positioned just beside the balcony access, and stepping outside, you are able to get views of the surrounding neighborhood together with plenty of fresh air because the area itself is very quiet and peaceful. The balcony may not be oversized, but it is still a very good size considering it belongs to just this bedroom alone. You can still choose to use this room as a children's room, a guest bedroom, or really anything you want because the space itself is quite generous. Now heading back, we are going into the next bedroom located right beside it. This is going to be the fourth bedroom. Again, very spacious, large windows bringing in plenty of natural light. Then the curtains complement the room very well. The wardrobes continue with the same dark finish together with the gold handles, maintaining consistency throughout the home. The washroom design is also similar to the ones downstairs. You have your vanity, your toilet seat positioned on the side, and your shower area as well. Now, this walkway right here leads us directly into the master bedroom. Along the corridor, you can even choose to place some wall art pieces to create a more welcoming entrance in the master suite. Now, the master bedroom itself is extremely spacious and also comes with the largest balcony in the house. You have this beautiful chandelier lighting together with additional lighting fixtures positioned above the bed area. You can comfortably fit a king-sized bed in here and still have plenty of remaining space around the room. Now on this side is where you're going to access your private balcony, giving you views of the surrounding estate together with the upcoming units within the same development. You can easily place outdoor seats here and simply relax while enjoying the views and fresh air. Coming back inside, this is going to be your walk-in closet. You're getting a lot of cabinet space throughout, allowing you to comfortably store all your clothes and personal items. Since this is the master suite, you also get this mirror section, making it convenient whenever you're getting ready. Now heading into the master bathroom, you are welcomed by double sinks together with additional storage underneath, giving it that his and hers setup. You also get a shower cubicle together with a jacuzzi that doubles as your bathtub. The toilet is automatic, meaning it opens and closes automatically, which adds a more modern touch to the bathroom. Overall, the bathroom is very spacious, and once again, the quality of the shower fittings is excellent. Heading on to the staircase leading us to the third floor, just look at how the large windows continue bringing in so much natural light into the house. The chandelier choice also helps complement these spaces beautifully as you move through the home. Now on the third level, this is where you're going to find your family room. Interestingly, this room is also en suite, and the washroom itself is actually larger than most of the bathrooms in the house. You're getting plenty of windows here, your vanity, your toilet seat, and similar finishes as the other bathrooms, although this particular one does not feature a shower cubicle. Now this level also features two separate doors, meaning you can actually partition this space if you want more privacy, depending on how you decide to use the area. So from your family room, you can directly access the rooftop terrace, and this space can honestly be used for a lot of things, including hosting parties or simply relaxing outdoors. You also have taps installed up here for easy water access, and above you're going to notice the solar panels, which also help provide shade at the same time. This is very convenient because it means the property benefits from the additional backup power, reducing the chances of blackouts. Now the rooftop terrace itself is very spacious. From up here, you can enjoy the views of the estate, the surrounding neighborhood, and even the upcoming units within the development. You are also able to overlook your front yard and basically enjoy panoramic views of the entire area from the top level of the property. And yeah, that is going to be your property tour. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.